Hi guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to another edition of Fire Fridays. Today I wanted to show you guys how we make our fabulous Ultra Mattes. These are our new shades. They're like your lips but better. They are so awesome. Let's go to the lab. The first step into making our fabulous Ultra Mattes is to weigh out all of our pigments. This is what they look like combined. Now we're on to our liquid phase. We already have some in here, and now we're adding just a little bit more. Nice. Once our liquid phase is finished, the next step is to homogenize. And this is just going to mix it up very, very nicely so that, again, the formula is homogeneous and consistent. So once we have all of our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients mixed, we are going to roller mill the formula on this high-tech machine, which is basically going to crush the formula into a really, really, really fine dust so that it's super homogeneous and even and fabulous. This is my absolute favorite thing to watch being done in the lab. It's so cool. Ooh la la! So every single pigment in there is getting crushed into a really, really fine dust. It's kind of like when you're baking a cake, you want the formula to be really even. After we finish roller milling, the last step is to add these really special powders to the formula. These are going to make the formula feel really, really nice and velvety on the lips and give a nice soft focus appearance. Once we're finished adding those powders to the formula is ready to be put into a vial and sent out to all of you guys. So now we're filling the shade and chill. So we use this really cool machine to inject the formula into the package. And then we add a wiper, which is super important, and then the cap. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for me. I'm gonna sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed our lab visit again. I'll see you guys next week.